this workflow is going to change your life. Like, that is all you need for your next campaign. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So essentially what we did here basically went down the rabbit hole of looking at Selena Gomez pictures on Cosmos. So essentially you're collecting a mood board. You're collecting a data set of images that you like. And it happened to be these ones. In this case, today is just one of those days. And so deal with it. So we got some pictures, which is kind of old school and magazine style. And then, you just tell the AI agent that, hey, I need you to extract the photography style, the lighting, the camera, whatever, angles and poses, and the expressions, so that we can create the same feel for this photo shoot. And then it gives you a visual DNA, and that visual DNA basically serves as your art direction. As you can see, it travels all the way to our creative director, so that it can use that to come up with the concepts that we need in order to create this photo shoot. So then what you're doing is giving it the creative brief. What is your product, basically? What does it stand for? What kind of target audience? What do you need out of this campaign? Who it's for, and all that stuff. Then a little bit about your brand. So you need to tell it who are you selling to? Like, if you're running Andromeda ads, if you need creatives for that, what is your audience? And so you need to tell it that, because there's no other way for it to know. And so you combine all that along with the visual DNA that we just created, which is right here. Give it to, as you can see, we're just combining all these three. Give it to the creative director. Now, not only that, you also need to have a character, because you're a clothing brand and you need to take pictures of somebody wearing your product. And that somebody in this case is this woman. And so this is a character that we generated using a different workflow. And then, you just make it wear. This could be the pictures of your product on a mannequin, a flat lay with an iPhone, whatever. This is what the character sheet looks like. And then we give that as a reference to the creative director. This creative director then thinks of concepts and then puts it into words and then puts it through a quality gate so that it's on brand, and also it's following the visual DNA, which is your art direction. And then we get to look at these images, which are pretty fucking awesome. And so the first three, the way the model's trained, the way creative director is trained, is that first three images are e-com shots for Shopify. It requires you to have it on the white background. So we can just run that one again to see what it comes up with. But these are pretty nice. As you can see, the character consistency is there. The model, the product is nice. The poses, the expressions, she's selling the product for you. And the next ones are going to be just editorial pictures, hero images that you can use for the website, or whatever you desire, basically. And then you get things like these. And why would you ever need a photo shoot anymore? That's insane, absolutely insane. So cheers.